Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunji and this is Cooking with Kunji. So right now it's the fall, so you know what that is, it's turkey season. And what I'm going to do with my next few videos is show how I do turkey. Today I have on the grill some turkey legs. My next video I think I'm going to do some whole turkey breasts with the skin on, and then I'll do a whole turkey and show you guys how Jamaicans who don't really like turkey can get their turkey to be real flavorful, real spicy, real, just as flavorful as chicken, even though turkey is a very hard meat to flavor. So stay tuned, see how I make this. Macaroni board. So right now it is 8:30 right now, and I've had the turkey on the smoker since 7. So at 9 o'clock I'm gonna check them, make sure that outside bark is looking real good, and then I'm gonna wrap those turkey legs and with some foil, wrap them and let them continue to cook, get them up to a nice high barbecue temp. And I'm gonna show you guys how those look after we're done. These are seasoned with some Killer Hogs barbecue rub, and it was brined for over 24 hours in a brine that I make from scratch. In my whole turkey video, I'll show you guys how I make my brine. Right now, here we are after 2 hours. These drums are looking really good. Color on the outside looks great. Cooking real evenly right now. Oh man, it's looking beautiful. Come on, flip them over. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and wrap these with some foil and just let them keep cooking. See that beautiful color in there. And now we're just going to wrap it and lock in that moisture that we brined it to create. What's going to happen with this wrap, that's going to lock in that moisture and get this turkey to be extra juicy and tender by the time we are ready. And, this part here we're not really worried about because you're not really going to eat that. The meat is right up here, and that's what we want to focus on when we are wrapping. And doing your turkey like this over the holiday season, if you are a person that are looking for extra flavor, extra depth in your flavor profile, you can use your favorite season. You don't have to use a barbecue rub. the reggae spice jerk seasonings are really good with poultry, and I'm gonna bet that it will go really good with some turkey legs. Gosh, so turkey legs are wrapped, ready to go. Four and a half hours in. Right now, I'm gonna check the temp so you guys can see what these turkey legs looking like. 185, that's good. That one's, ooh, 190, huh? Alright. See what that one's looking like. Ooh, yeah, baby. Alright. So 195, 198. These temps are good. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these turkey legs off and so you guys can look at them. See how delicious these look. So the internal temp on these, 195, between 195 and 200. Look at that beautiful smoke ring on the outside right there. Can't wait to oh, look at that. Not a dried out. Look at that. So moist. Oh my god. Guys, please smoke a turkey leg. And definitely brine it. So you definitely taste the brine, the seasonings, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, and those flavors from the scallion, the thyme, all that stuff soaked right into this turkey leg. But yeah, man, look at this. Beautiful bark outside. Definitely a must cook again. So, as I said before, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my brine in a later video for my turkey. This was seasoned with the Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. Absolutely amazing. And now you got some beautiful turkey legs for Thanksgiving. Guys, that's a wrap. So 4.5 hours, these turkey legs are done, reading internal temperature 195, 198. So that's barbecue temp right there. Definitely not a long cook. Brined before, seasoned with some Killer Hogs. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more like this.